Hello and welcome to Skool HQ. We'll give you an office tour. Welcome in. There's the man, the myth, the legend. We got some smart people there. I'll be up there next. There's a ball pit room there. Some people think that this is like a kids' play area, but it's not. It's a tech company. There's meeting rooms here, and we have some merch up there, which you can get at skoolmerch.com. we have another meeting room there. Then this is the main office this way. Whenever someone comes to the office, we take their picture on a Polaroid and put them up there. Maybe there's some faces that you know.
Toilets are in there.
Then there's the kitchen here. We love LaCroix, so there's every flavor on earth, basically.
Get a close-up of that selection.
Oh yeah, it's got to be a close-up. Ooh.
I'm going to crack a fresh one.
My favorite's melon medley. Ew. That's the coconut flavor, but we call it the armpit flavor. This is the podcast room, where we have very important meetings.
We don't actually do a podcast in here, but it's called the podcast room.
Yes. We do executive meetings because we're a serious company. Sam can take over now.
Then this is the main room. Got some cool art and things. Piano. This is the merch machine. This is where we fulfill all of the merch orders. Like this cat. That cat, Johnny.
Yep.
Can you see that? Yeah.
Embroidered, very high quality.
Yep.
Do you want to show outside? That's where we sit. And there's a bus, a school bus.
I bought that bus for $1,000 on eBay.
That's crazy.
Then I had to pay the guy another $500 to drive it here from North Dakota. This cactus looks like something from Dr. Seuss. Had to go to about 5 stores to find that one.
Then there's the school news set, which you guys may be used to. This is the behind the scenes. This is where Mr. Johnny sits. He goes by Mr. Johnny, not Johnny.
Show them all of this fancy equipment.
Ooh.
It's all the fancy equipment we use to deliver school news. Hanging out area, we've got some couches and things. These speakers are really good.
Sam rides the motorbike to work every morning. We've got Hormozy's books, big fans.
There's a library, and then there's a zebra.
Sometimes I sleep with this at night, or if I need a nap at the office.
Put it back properly. It's a sloppy job.
It's Kirby. This is where the hard workers work. We've got Mark CSM, who helps creators launch on Skool. We've got Executive Claire and Executive Erica.
They're the brains behind the organization. All the key decisions route through them. She's also Kirby's fiance.
Yeah.
So a small conflict of interest. There's my desk over there.
Oh yeah.
And there's Kirby's shitty desk. Show them that cat, Johnny, next to mine.
If you ever want to know why Skool grows so quickly, see that aura mist. If you ever want to know why Sam is so handsome, it's the aura mist. Good close-up of that. Thank you. All right. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe.